Hey ATAK fans, AJ here. In this video, I'm going to show off a new feature in ATAK 4.7 that allows for URL links to be embedded into COT icons. You can see we have an ADSB feed here with some public safety aircraft. We also added some news media aircraft. So you've got in the LA market here, KABC-7 media and KTLA-5 media aircraft. They're helicopters. We're going to focus on the KTLA-5 aircraft here. I'm going to click on it, bring up the radio menu, and at about the 5:30 mark, we've got the more info icon. We click on that, and you can see this associated link here. And this is the URL to their live streaming website. Yeah, you could save that as a link in your browser if you'd like, but it's real nice to have this feature right here in the radio menu. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to open up Chrome. And I'm on LTE here, so it may take a little bit to load the video play option. We'll give it a second here. And with this, I'm also going to show you how to open this up in split screen view and pop-up view. So I hit play here. I'm going to mute it as we got a commercial playing. And I can bring this up into full screen. And so we've got the video playing. And now I'm going to show you how to bring it in split screen. So I'm going to use the app switcher. I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on my ATAK icon here. And I'm going to put open in split screen view. Now I'm going to choose the app I want in split screen view, which is Chrome. And I'm going to scroll down to the video for the newscast. It looks like it's on a commercial right now. I can bring this up in their full screen view. Click on ATAK, the back button, and now if I want, I can lock in on this aircraft, and it's going to center on that aircraft. And now I've got split screen view. I can choose to widen my ATAK view, have the KTLA newscast small, or I can make it larger and make my ATAK view smaller. Another option is to use what's called a pop-up view. So I'm going to get rid of, I'm going to break the split screen by spreading ATAK all the way to the right. And I'll go back to my app switcher. I'm going to click on Chrome this time. And I'm going to say open and pop-up view. And I'm going to go back and open up ATAK. And I'm going to click on the Chrome icon here. And now it's going to bring the KTLA newscast in a pop-up view. I have the volume turned off, obviously, because we don't want to listen to all these commercials. But a pretty cool option, I think, for running ATAK, and you can make this a little bit bigger. And trying to watch maybe a news feed that is covering an incident that you're on, maybe some sort of fire or pursuit, and then so you can have your ATAK SA plus a news feed right in TAK. Hope this was helpful. Again, another cool feature in 4.7. Hats off to the product center, the folks at PAR that build all these features, and also Connor Spears and Greg Albrecht, who brought in the ADSB feed and the URL into this TAK server. Thanks for watching.